can manufacturers stay competitive and create more customer value in Industry 5.0?
Yeah, I think it's a great time for manufacturers, for B2B generally. There's so many opportunities out there with the digital platforms that are available to us, whether that's commerce, sales, CRM. There's all kinds of systems now that can facilitate that selling process for manufacturers, and not only the selling initially, but the aftermarket, the service and care of those customers, the support and empowering them with self-serve capabilities. So I think customers, whether it's B2B, B2C, they all expect that same digital convenience. And I think that's where manufacturers need to look today. So obviously manufacturers and the products that manufacturers produce for their customers will always be vital and essential to the value that customers see. But more and more, they expect this digital halo, this convenience that digital self-serve provides, that online portals and storefronts, and the ability to enable and automate these transactions for their customers is going to be paramount, a core competence for all manufacturers going forward, and will be vital for them to invest in to be competitive in the digital age.